A cloud tutorial for beginners starts with understanding what the word cloud actually means. Because many people think it refers to something complicated or mysterious when, in reality, cloud computing is simply the delivery of computing services such as storage, servers, databases, networking, software, analytics, and artificial intelligence over the internet instead of relying only on a personal computer or local server. Years ago, individuals and businesses had to buy powerful computers, expensive servers, and large storage devices to run applications or store files. They also had to maintain hardware, install updates, repair failures, and replace equipment every few years. Cloud computing changed this approach by allowing users to rent computing resources whenever they need them. Instead of buying and maintaining everything themselves, they can access these services through the internet and pay only for what they use. This model has transformed the technology industry because it makes powerful computing resources available to everyone, from students and freelancers to startups and multinational companies. Every time someone stores photos in an online drive, watches a streaming service, sends an email, uses an online document editor, or backs up a smartphone, they are using cloud technology, even if they do not realize it. Learning cloud computing today is one of the most valuable skills because nearly every modern company uses cloud services in some way, and employers increasingly seek professionals who understand cloud platforms. Fortunately, beginners do not need advanced programming knowledge to start learning. By following a structured step-by-step approach, anyone can build a strong foundation. The first step is understanding the basic concepts. Before creating accounts or using cloud platforms, learn the difference between hardware and cloud resources. Traditional computing requires physical hardware such as desktops, laptops, servers, hard drives, and networking equipment. Cloud computing replaces much of this with virtual resources hosted in secure data centers. These data contain thousands of powerful servers connected together. Instead of owning those servers, users rent access to them through cloud providers. This means businesses can launch applications within minutes, instead of waiting weeks to purchase and install equipment. Understanding this concept helps beginners appreciate why cloud computing became so popular. It provides flexibility, reduces costs, improves scalability, increases reliability, and enables users to access their data from almost anywhere with an internet connection. The second step is learning the three major service models. Infrastructure as a service, commonly known as IaaS, provides virtual machines, storage, networking, and operating systems that users can configure according to their needs. Platform as a service, or PaaS, provides an environment where developers can build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about managing the underlying infrastructure. Software as a service, or SaaS, delivers complete software applications through the internet without requiring installation on individual computers. Examples include email services, online office suites, customer relationship management systems, video conferencing platforms, and project management software. Understanding these three models helps beginners identify what type of cloud service they are using in everyday life and what businesses require for different workloads. The third step is understanding deployment models. Public cloud services are shared among many customers and managed entirely by cloud providers. They are cost-effective, flexible, and suitable for most businesses. Private clouds are dedicated to a single organization, offering greater control, customization, and security. Hybrid clouds combine public and private environments, allowing organizations to keep sensitive information in private infrastructure while using the public cloud for less sensitive workloads. Multi-cloud strategies involve using services from multiple cloud providers to improve flexibility and reduce dependence on a single vendor. Beginners should understand these deployment options because different organizations choose different approaches depending on their security, compliance, budget, and performance requirements. The fourth step is selecting a cloud provider. The world's leading cloud providers include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Each offers similar core services while differing in pricing, features, management interfaces, and specialized tools. Beginners should not worry about mastering all three immediately. Instead, choosing one platform and learning its basic services builds a strong foundation that makes learning the others much easier later. Each provider offers free learning, resources, documentation, tutorials, and introductory accounts that allow beginners to practice without significant cost. The fifth step is creating a free account. Most cloud providers offer a free tier that includes limited computing resources, storage, databases, and networking services. Beginners should register using their email address, verify their identity, and activate multi-factor authentication to improve account security. Although some services require a payment method for verification, beginners should monitor their usage carefully and set billing alerts to avoid unexpected charges. Understanding account management is one of the first practical skills every cloud learner should develop. In conclusion, cloud computing is one of the most important technologies in today's digital world because it enables individuals and organizations to access powerful computing resources through the internet without owning expensive hardware. For beginners, success comes from learning one concept at a time, practicing regularly, understanding infrastructure, storage, networking, security, databases, monitoring, and cost management, while gradually gaining hands-on experience. Choosing one major cloud platform, exploring its free services, creating small projects, following official documentation, and continuously improving practical skills builds confidence and professional competence. Cloud computing rewards curiosity, patience, and consistent practice, and with a step-by-step approach, beginners can develop valuable skills that open opportunities in software development, system administration, cybersecurity, DevOps, data engineering, artificial intelligence, and many other technology careers. This strong foundation prepares learners for advanced cloud certifications and real-world projects, making cloud computing an excellent long-term investment. For anyone interested in building a successful career in modern technology.